Nigga, I'm in a fucking tornado, bro. Look at this shit. I had to get in the back. I had to get in the back of my trailer. It's a fucking tornado for real. I can't even drive forward no more because there's a fucking tree knocked down. Hey, Zakiri, I love you. Nolan, I love you. To all my family and no friends, I love y'all. This the only safest place I can go is in the back of a trailer. It's in the back of a trailer. It's a container. It's a metal container.